Hey guys, for anyone wondering how a Nam Doc Mai mango might go in Melbourne, Australia, this thing I've had since September last year. It was probably maybe a year and a bit, maybe 2 years old at max. And already the next year, I got it in September, now it's March 2023. And it's already seeming to have flower stems I should say, growing from it. It's not that big at all. As you can see, the graft, where is it? Graft is here, and it's probably, I've got small hands. You can tell it's just maybe maximum 2 hand widths. I got tiny hands. And yeah, hasn't grown much, but it's already flowering. Don't know how that's going to go since we're about to enter autumn, which is pretty much like winter everywhere else. So these will probably die off. I don't know what to do next. I'll do some research and I'll find out what's the best thing to do as we're approaching winter. I don't want these things to go into shock and die, but we'll see. Wish me luck, guys. Thank you.